Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing, and in today's video I have got something from this is from Glitz Glam Box, and I have been looking at a couple of new boxes, new subscriptions. Just don't know exactly where I want to go with that for my channel, and I just thought that I would give this company a try. So I was looking around at some of their offerings, and I just kind of wanted to, without subscribing yet, I wanted to see what they had to offer. So I ordered one of their boxes, and I thought that we would unbox it together on my channel. So if you want to see what's in this package, this is not their regular subscription box. This is one of their special boxes. So if you want to see what's inside, just keep watching. Okay guys, if you haven't ever been to my channel before, my name is Jeannie, and I hope that you will consider hitting that subscribe button before you go and clicking on that post notification bell so you don't miss a thing. But in today's video, this is a new subscription box service to me. It's called the Glitz Glam Box, and actually I have never gotten anything from them before, and I've seen a few different people open these boxes, and so I just wanted to give them a try. So went on, and they were sold out of their subscription services, and so I kind of started peeking around, and they have special boxes that are available if you want it. And so I got to looking, and they had something that I was really interested in. So let me get this out, and this was called, I don't know if they'll have a box. Oh yeah, they do. They have a piece of paper in here. And so this is called the Glitz Glam Box Subscriber's Delight. And this was their September menu, Amuse Bouge Glitz Glam Box, and it comes with, let me show you what's in here. So it comes with like a little menu and it says build your own box. So they have these build your own box, Glitz Glam Box. Use code SUBBY. And you can build it with 6 full-sized items, fully customizable, substitutions allowed. And then it just says, thank you for your order. And so what is in this box? And I want to think I paid maybe $25, $20 for this. I can't remember. I'll look it up and I'll put it across the screen somewhere when I'm editing the video back. So the very first thing that I got was a Glitz glitter pod for $3, and that must be what this is. Oh, it's really, really pretty. And it's just a little thing of glitter that is a gorgeous, gorgeous coppery orangey color that looks like that. And I do have, Mama's got some glitter glue, so that is absolutely gorgeous. And it says eye, lip, skin, and nail safe, and the shade is Yummy. So then it says for an appetizer, we got the Glam Light Bon Appetit Liquid Lipstick. And this is a value of $10. And you know that Glam Light has been on my radar for, ooh, yeah. And it's got a little mirror on the side. And this has been on my radar for 2020. So this color is really pretty. Oh, it's kind of a desert rose, has a little bit of a peach to it, has a warm undertone. So that's what that looks like. Oh, it is so pretty, guys. Oh, I love that color. Oh, yes. So it came in this packaging right here. It's just gorgeous. So that will give me a Glam Light lippy to try. So excited. And then for the main course, I am so excited about this, guys. So excited, super excited. This is the Glam Light Veggie Lovers or Meat Lovers palette, $22. And I got the Meat Lovers palette. So it comes in, dude, I'm eating pizza tonight. I'm hungry. So this is the way that it comes. And oh yeah, that is so pretty. Oh yeah. And here is what that looks like. You get a big mirror up here, and then here's what the palette looks like. Oh guys, that is really pretty. So this is a great way if you are wanting to try one of these Veggie Slice Glam Light palettes or the Meat Lover Slice Glam Light palettes. This is a great way to get it. And that's why I ordered this, because I've been wanting to try one of these palettes from Glam Light, and I was like, well, if I get it in this box, then I can see a little bit about the box itself and see what quality that the box has. Plus, the box I think was $25. The palette's $22. So for just $3 more, then I'm going to be able to get a lippy out of it. I'm going to be able to see what their glitter's like. Plus, then it also comes with the Chai Faux Mink Lashes. And these have a value of $7.99. And the ones that I got was, these are by Amber Anderson. And that's what these look like right here. So these are some really big lashes. So I'll at least get to try these, see how I like them, and see what I think about the quality of the lashes before I start a subscription with them, and see, you know, what I think about it. So that's what I thought that I would do, is try out the Glitz Glam Box in this manner. I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4 products for pretty much the price of the Glam Light Pizza Slice palette. I thought that was a great way to try out. This is the Glitz Glam Box subscription, and you know, try out and just see, kind of a little trial run, try before you buy, and also get some of the products that I've really been wanting. So what do you think about that? What do you think about the Glitz Glam Box? Are you getting the Glitz Glam Box? Are you liking it? What are the quality of the products like in there? What do you think? I'm thinking about maybe picking the subscription up, and I'm kind of on the fence about it. So I thought this was a great way to try before I buy. So what do you think about this box? Do you think the value was there? I kind of do for this one. I think the value was really there. I think that, you know, for $3 more than the palette and getting the extra goodies along with it, especially the lippy. I really like the lippy and the lip color. I thought it was a really beautiful lip color, and it gives me an extra product to try under the Glam Light brand. So I'm really excited about that. So yeah, check it out. So on their website, you can go under their other boxes and look around and see what else they have to offer other than just their regular subscription box. They've got all kinds of things on there. Build your own palette, these special boxes that you can choose from that are already made up. Yeah, check it out. I think that I hit a home run with this particular bag. I'm really loving it. So let me know what you think about it. I would be really interested in hearing your thoughts on this subscription box. I'm kind of on the fence as to what subscription box I might pick up. This is one of the ones I'm considering. Love to hear your thoughts about that. So if you liked today's video, give me a thumbs up. I'd love to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to be, I'd love to have you here as part of the Gen X Beautiful team. You know what to do. Just click the big red subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified when I post new content to my channel, just hit the post notification bell and YouTube will give you a heads up when there's something new to watch. I hope that you are having a great day in your part of the world, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Smooches, everybody. Bye-bye for now.